Okay, now let's review mind obstruction by chi stagnation. So that means if you have chi stagnation, you can have mind obstructed. The
Problem.
form of obstruction of the mind is caused by mildest.
Chest stagnation.
Chi
Chest
stagnation.
stagnation.
Parang masyadong active dito si ano. Which function is not impaired, obstructed.
Sensory perception.
Yes, it is not obstructed. In severe obstruction of the mind, there may be
Complete loss of insight.
which progression correctly reflects increasing severity of mind obstruction. Paano?
Mind obstruction. Chest stagnation.
Blood
Blood stasis
spacing.
phlegm.
Relate na relate. The primary thing. Okay. Alam ko na. O, di ba? Oo, naalala ko pala. Okay. The primary treatment principle for mind obstruction includes all except
Opening the mind. Except.
Tonifying kidney yang.
Tonifying.
except.
Lalong ano yan. Pag tinuhay mo. Kidney
Okay.
yang.
You do not tonify the kidney. Di ba lalo siyang iinit? Which herb is listed as opening the mind's orifices? If you were listening.
Yes.
Okay. No answer. You were not listening. Okay, we'll give the answer. How do you pronounce this, Dr. Rosa Xiang? Sister Rosa.
市场谱，
Okay.
市场谱，市场谱
Okay.
市场谱
，yes，
Hindi natin magamit to.
市场谱
Okay.
Ano ba
I
yan?
have, meron ako niyan yung Baichu and Huangqi.
Ay, wow.
I have it.
That is the
Yeah.
picture.
I use it.
Ano ba?
I use it for tea.
Huh? Nag-obstruct din yung mind.
Maganda siya.
Yes. No, for Huangqi kasi it's scutularia.
Okay.
It's yeah.
It's
for heat.
For the heat. But the word bitter.
Good siya for damp heat yan sa intestines.
Sa init.
Where did you buy
If you
it?
take
Where did you get it?
China,
I bought it in Shopee. Merong
Talaga?
Chinese. Yeah, there's like a Chinese
Okay.
store page.
So how do you cook it? How do you prepare it?
Just boil it with
Boil it.
and make tea. Yeah.
So did it open your
But
mind orifices?
Yes.
Okay.
no, Huangqi is inner heat and damp. If you drink a big amount, make your diarrhea.
Baichu is to clear dampness naman.
Very, very bitter.
Yeah.
Matataba.
Answer is letter B.
Baichu is for dampness.
Okay, next. Which herb is derived from Polygonal root? Anyone
Ano
can?
yan?
Letter A. This is
Yanqi.
Yan. That is the herb.
原质
Which acupuncture point is among those that open the mind's orifices? Yung ginamit mo, Sir Mark.
Pericardium pie.
Oh, alam mo, alam.
PC5.
Pericardium 5. Treatment
PC5.
for liver chi stagnation, obstructing the mind, includes settling the, syempre, liver.
Imperial salt.
Yeah.
Cereals. Spoon.
Combination,
Yes.
Spoon.
very basic,
Spoon.
known as the four gates.
4 gates.
Oy, answer.
Liberty LI4.
LI4 tsaka LI11.
Liver 14,
Liberty LI4.
liver 3, Li4. Liver 14 is important because
The front mo.
front move point of the liver. Which
Doc,
From
Doc, stock yung.
Maybe Dr.
throat mo,
Hector.
di ba liver port nasa chan? Saan ba?
Andito
Liver
sa,
Ah,
sa below the ribs. Below the ribs.
We're
baka
back.
nasa may gilid siya, no?
Oo, sa may
thoracic.
ribs.
Nasa thoracic.
Oo, sa may below.
Can you see
Sa may gilid ng ano.
Yes.
Okay, which point moves liver chi through its relationship with the terminal yin channels?
PC6.
Of course. Yin, diba? Which pair powerfully calms the mind in liver patterns?
Liver. Liver pattern.
Siyempre yung
Do
gallbladder.
24 and G13.
Diba, liver?
Do 24 and
Diba, hinanap bigla si gallbladder. Well, this is so important. Do 24 and gallbladder 13.
Do
The special
24 is
formula addresses liver chi stagnation with rebellious chi in which extraordinary vessel? Or rebellious
Chongmai.
Chongmai.
Chongmai. The condition involving Chongmai rebellion is often triggered by
shock or prolonged worry.
Ito talaga yung ano ko. Kaya very improved talaga siya when I use the Chongmai. The liver and kidney channels both ascend to
Throat and chest.
Throat,
Chest.
yes.
Constriction of the throat in this pattern results from stagnation, affecting channels that ascend through the
Throat.
Throat.
The Spiritual Axis, Chapter 65 states that the penetrating and directing vessels, penetrating is Chung, directing is Ren, originate from the
Uterus.
Uterus. C.
stomach
Uterus.
chi is particularly important because the Chongmai emerges at this point from
Perineum.
Perineum.
the name Chi Tsung can be translated as
Rushing chi.
Russian C.
Kidney 14 primarily treats fullness related to stagnation of all except
Wind.
Food.
Wind.
wind, except
Chi.
wind. So kidney 14 fullness related to stagnation of chi blood. Okay, kidney 13 regulates Chongmai chi by
Strengthening its root in the lower abdomen.
yes, strengthening its root. Which point both subdues rebellious liver chi and settles the ethereal soul.
Liver 3. Liver 3.
Number 3.
Liver 3. P6 is said to relieve
PC6.
Unhappiness and chest constriction.
yes. O sige. Be happy. PCC.
PC6.
But don't press
25
it too hard. You might be very, very happy.
PC6.
Bladder 15, bladder 18 together regulate chi of what?
Heart and liver.
Wow. Spleen 6 supports treatment by
Strengthening the root of the liver and kidney.
yes.
Bongga,
What is
no?
the Chinese name for spleen 6?
Yinling Quan.
Link 1.
Yinling Chuan. Okay. In the case study, the patient's infertility was diagnosed as resulting primarily from
Chi stagnation.
chi stagnation. Kaya grabe ang chi stagnation. Which gynecological condition had been diagnosed medically?
Endometriosis.
The patient's panic attacks were accompanied by
Oppression of chest and
And
palpitation.
during attack she experienced sensation of
Suffocation in the throat.
her tongue was characterized by
Tongue, red tip,
Tip
and
and
side.
tip. Okay. Which pulse quality was specifically noted?
Moving.
Yes. The historical event contributing to the pathology was,
rape at
Yeah.
age 20.
grabe talaga
Oo.
ito. May impact talaga siya.
Traumatic.
Shock is said to affect the heart and also the
Kidney.
kidneys. In women, shock commonly contributes to stagnation in
Chiang Mai and liver.
Liver cell.
lung 7 is especially useful because it stimulates descending of lung qi.
Stomach tip.
According
Ay,
to the
lung tip.
explanation of acupuncture points written in 1654, lung 7 is indicated when a person
Is sad and cries
frequently.
frequently.
Yes.
Frequently.
Heart 7 primarily functions to
Nourish the heart and calm it.
and calm the mind.
which point has a powerful calming effect on the mind while relieving chest fullness.
Well, 15.
Ay, wow. Bilis. Run 17 mainly promotes descending of
Lung
17. Lumpy.
lung qi. Stomach 40 contributes by
Opening the chest and calming the mind.
parang gamit na gamit mo to, ha? 42.
Apo.
I4 harmonizes ascending and descending of qi in the
upper
Middle burner.
middle burn.
Middle burner.
Which point is said to help the patient see issues clearly. Mamumulat yung mata niya. O, di ba? Hello.
SI1. SI5.
SI5. SI5. The phrase, when qi does not flow, the mind cannot be free, refers primarily to
Qi stagnation affecting
Tama.
which emotional symptom is characteristic of liver qi stagnation affecting the mind.
Emotional constraint.
Kaya ilabas, no? Which physical symptom is commonly associated with this pattern?
tightness in the chest.
Tightness. Yeah, hindi mo mailabas. A typical tongue sign in qi stagnation.
Stagnation.
Slightly
Red sides with white
white
crossing.
Okay. If qi stagnation is prolonged, the tongue may become
Purple.
purple. The most typical pulse quality for this pattern is
Wiring.
wiry. And finally, which acupuncture point is listed in the summary section but not emphasized in the earlier liver qi stagnation protocol? Na yung una-una na.
Lintang.
Yeah, okay. Nakalimutan. Wow, congratulations. Sinong nakaka-relate? Okay, joke lang.